In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Google Calendar from your account. If you've been syncing your schedule and you're ready to stop, or you're troubleshooting duplicate events and want a clean slate. This walkthrough will guide you through the exact clicks you need, along with what to expect afterward. First, look to the left side of your screen for the navigation panel and click on Sync with Other Calendar. This is the control center for calendar connections. Opening it brings you to the place where all external calendars are managed so you can see what's currently linked and what options are available. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the menu or scrolling. Interfaces can vary slightly, but the option will be in the left side navigation. Next, within the Sync page, click on Google Calendar. This takes you into the Google Calendar integration details. Here you can typically see the status of the connection, which calendars are being synced, and whether events are flowing both ways or just from one system to another. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the Google Calendar section helps ensure you're adjusting the correct integration, especially if you've linked more than one calendar service. Finally, click on Disconnect Google Calendar Account. This action severs the connection between your account and Google Calendar, stopping any further syncing of events. In many cases, the system may display a brief message to let you know the link has been removed, and that's normal. After disconnecting, new events created in your account won't appear in Google Calendar, and changes in Google Calendar won't flow back here. However, disconnecting does not delete existing events from your Google Calendar. It simply stops the ongoing sync. Any events already copied over will remain where they are unless you remove them manually in the respective calendar. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you rely on automatic scheduling or availability checks, remember that disconnecting means your availability will no longer update based on your Google Calendar. If you manage multiple calendars under your Google account, only the connection you just disconnected will stop syncing, which is exactly what you want when you're resetting or changing integrations. And if you're disconnecting as part of troubleshooting, give the system a moment to update. It can take a short while for all changes to fully reflect across the interface. That's it. You've clicked Sync with Other Calendar on the left, selected Google Calendar, and then disconnected the Google Calendar account. If you need to reconnect in the future, you can return to the same area and set it up again when you're ready. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control.